Hey guys, today let's learn how to earn money on Instagram Reels. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn money using the Instagram application by posting some Reels on there, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, basically what we need to do is to go ahead and avail or be eligible to be accepted into the Instagram Reels bonus program. And what the Instagram Reels bonus program is essentially it's just a specific program that Instagram offers to its users so that they could earn at least or at most $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month just by creating Reels. How do we basically join this? Well, we need to actually have at least 1,000 views on a specific Reel, just one, over 30 days. So that feat is pretty attainable and definitely worth your time if you want to go ahead and find some way to earn money on Instagram. Of course, as of the current moment, it is currently invite-based and only available to US-based users. So if you were a specific user outside of the US country, Instagram does say that it will roll out this program globally in the next year or so. So just sit tight until it actually rolls out to the whole world. Now, once it is already done from here, of course, once you are also eligible, you will actually have this specific invite to have and attain this specific bonus program, and then you can now go ahead and post any Reels, and well, there's basically no limit on how many Reels as well that you can post, as long as you still hit that 1,000 views within a 30-day period on a specific Reel. And through that, of course, you will receive specific bonuses on your Reels, and that is going to help you earn money and get you going. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.